Hello, good morning, students.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm
Fine.
how you?
I'm fine too. I'm glad to hear you in good conditions. Okay, before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Asri, please help me to lead the prayer.
Sure, Miss. Okay, all, before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Pray and.
Okay, thank you, Asri. Before we start the lesson, I would like to check your attendance. Anyone absent today?
No one
Not
absent today.
yet.
Okay,
No
good.
one absent today.
Now I will share you the PowerPoint, the material today. Can you see the PowerPoint?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. For the first, what do you think about this picture?
I think this picture
Yeah, please.
about a busy traditional market atmosphere.
Okay, good. For the second picture, would you give me your opinion they are doing? Can anyone answer?
I want to answer, Miss.
Okay, please, Ayu Krishna.
In my opinion, what they are doing is meeting.
Okay, good. And for the other students, can anyone have an opinion?
I would give my opinion, Miss.
Okay, Asri Swandesi, please.
I think the picture, there is one person presenting and the other discussing.
Okay, good opinion. Okay, next. Now, I will going to learn about expressing, asking, and giving opinion. Before we know what is asking and giving opinion, we must know about the definition of opinion. Can anyone help me to read this sentence? I choose Ayu Krishna. Please help me to read this sentence.
Okay, Miss. Opinion is phrase or sentence that consists of argument, reason, or opinion from someone.
Okay, good. For the second, asking opinion is a sentence which asking opinion or argument to other people to satisfactions. And the third is the definition of giving opinion is a sentence that gives a reason to someone or other people. So, can anyone conclude what is asking and giving opinion based on what I explained before? Can anyone?
I want
Okay.
to conclude.
Okay, Ayu Krishna, please.
Asking and giving opinion is expressions to deliver argument or opinion to people.
Okay, good point, Ayu. So, asking and giving opinion is expressions that is used for talk about argument for about our argument or our opinion of two or more people. Okay. Next, in here, I have example of a dialogue asking and giving opinion. For the first one is formal expressions. Can anyone practice this dialogue to students?
I want
Okay,
I want to practice.
okay, Ayu Krishna, please, which and the other students can help Ayu Krishna to practice this dialogue. Asri Swandesi, maybe? Can you help Ayu Krishna?
Sure, Miss.
Yes. Ayu Krishna as students and Asri as teacher. Please practice.
Good morning, Miss Dewi.
Good morning, Gita.
Miss Dewi, what is your opinion about my result in this semester?
I personally think your result in this semester is good. Your grades, Gita.
Thank you so much for your information, Miss Ratna. I'm so glad to hear that.
Okay, thank you, Asri and Ayu Krishna. For
Okay,
the
Miss.
next dialogue is informal expressions. Again, can anyone help me to practice this dialogue? Indah, can you help?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. And Asri again, can you help Indah to practice this dialogue?
Sure, Miss.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Indah as Ivi and Sasa as and Asri as Sasa. Please practice.
Okay, what do you think about my new dress?
That's beautiful. I think you must choose other color.
The example?
I think you more beautiful if you try red dress. Looking more sweet there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I will try it. Thanks.
Okay, good, Asri and Indah. Now, can you give another example or praise how to express asking and giving opinion for formal and informal situations? For the first is for asking opinion. Can students give your example or praise for asking opinion first? I think I choose one student. Asri, please give your example of asking opinion.
Okay. I will answer for asking opinion for formal expression. First, would you give me your opinion? And then for informal expression like what do you think? How do you like? I think that's all, Miss.
Okay, good point, Asri. Can other students give another example for giving opinion, informal and informal expressions?
I will try, Miss.
Okay, Indah, please.
Okay, for formal expression, in my opinion, in personally believe, then for informal expression, I think I like it. That's all, Miss.
Okay, good point, Indah. Thank you. And here, as your friend said before, for asking and formal expressions, another example are for asking opinion for formal expressions. The first one, what is your opinion about? What are you feeling about? Do you have any idea? Do you think is or are? What are you feeling about? Would you give me your opinion on? And for informal expressions, the other example are what is your opinion? What do you think about? What do you think of? How do you like? How do you think of Achik's idea? How about this? And the next for giving opinion, the other another example for formal expression is in my opinion, I personally believe, I personally think or feel, well, personally, I assume or guess, And then for informal expression, can you see this slide? The other example is, I think that, in my mind, I think it's good, nice, or great. From my point of view, what I have in my mind is, I think I like it. Okay. Okay. Next, it's time to practice. Okay, I would like to you work in groups and make a short dialogue of expressing, asking, and giving opinion in formal and informal situations. Okay, work in group, please. Do you have any questions for this material?
No, Miss.
No, Miss.
Okay, if there are no any questions, let's pray together to end this lesson. Pray start. Pray end. Okay, thank you for joining this meeting. See you to the next week. Bye.
Thank you, Miss.
See you.
Bye.
Thank you. Okay, because time is up. Have you already for your dialogue?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Asri, who is your partners?
Indah, Miss.
Okay, Indah and Asri, please practice your dialogue.
Hey Aci, have you seen new Avengers movie?
Yes, I have.
What do you think about the movie?
I think that movie is awesome. That was the best.
Pardon, Asri? Awesome.
Awesome. Awesome?
Yes, good. Okay, continue your dialogue.
That was the best I've ever seen. It's a full of actions.
Action, you mean, right?
Yes. Yes, Miss. Action.
Okay, good. Continue your dialogue.
Well, I will take that as a positive testimony. I will watch that movie tonight. Thanks
Pardon?
for your
To
opinion.
need? What is mean to need?
Tonight, I mean
Tonight.
miss.
Yes. Yes. Good.
Tonight.
Good, Indah. Okay, continue your dialogue.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, that's all from us, Miss.
Okay, good, Asri and Indah. Now, I would like to guess the other students. Can you guess what expressions was used in the dialogue that was practiced by your friends? Formal or informal?
I think the dialogue use informal expression, Miss.
Okay, good point, Ayu Krishna. And why do you think so?
Because Indah said before, what do you think about that movie? That praise use asking opinion for informal situations. And Asri give opinion. I think that movie is awesome. That also used for informal expression, Miss.
Okay, very good point, Ayu Krishna. Thank you. I think that's all for our lesson today. I would like to conclude about the lesson today. Asking and giving opinion is expression that used to talking, that used to deliver our argument or opinion, to talking with for people who are more for one people. For a formal situation, usually we can use when we speak with a lecturer, maybe a teacher, also in the office and hospital. And for informal, maybe with can we use when speak with friends and our classmate. Okay, based on dialogue was your practice before, I think all of you guys understood about the material today. I would like to, before we end the lesson, I would like to give a homework. Please make your dialogue, make a dialogue for informal or formal expressions, because your friend has been practice a dialogue for informal expressions. So for the task, you like to make dialogue for formal expressions. Okay, you got the point?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss, I got the point.
Okay, thank you.